Hello, I'm Jeff Consul from the Train Loft. Today is June 14th, 2026. It's also President Donald Trump's birthday, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the MTH Premier Richmond and Danville 440 steam locomotive that I produced with MTH as a dealer-exclusive custom run. When MTH first announced these Premier 440s in August 2025, I was in the middle of reading Shelby Foote's Civil War, a Narrative. In the book, he describes the Richmond and Danville Railroad as serving the Confederacy during the Civil War. In fact, when I researched the Richmond and Danville, I learned that it began in 1847 and served all the points between Richmond and Danville, carrying supplies, goods, merchandise, passengers, etc. When the Civil War broke out in 1860, it became the courier for all the military hardware the Confederacy needed to distribute to their troops in the armies of Northern Virginia. It was a major supply line from Danville to Richmond. I designed this model to closely resemble the actual Richmond and Danville 440 American, with its primary colors of sage green, red stripes, the ornamentation, the silver boiler, the graphite smoke box, and a black funnel stack. The model turned out just the way I had hoped. I believe that MTH upped the ante in terms of detail from the last time they produced these Premier 440s. The wood load, for example, is more distinctive and shows some bark. All the hatches open up. The roof vent opens up and stays open. There are many brass parts to this model. Instead of bulky piping detail, the brass depicts the piping. The cylinder heads fore and aft are brass. The top part is brass. The flag holders are brass. The bell is brass. The model features and shows the steam-driven water pumps, and the open spoke wood grain wheels are just like the 440 would have been. MTH gave us engineer figures and fireman figures and safety chains on the tender. Our 440 is numbered 1863. I can't wait to run it, so let's do it.